Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We do not allow delays here at Kennedy.
Can I get that recording of that sent to my email?
It'll probably be on YouTube tomorrow.
Not an emergency?
Negative. No, we have an engine failure, but not an emergency.
Oh, not an emergency. Okay, just so an engine failure, but you're not an emergency. Are you overweight landing? They want to know.
Not at all. No, not even that.
Not even that.
89, which direction would you like us to take?
Oh, you better face the front, sir, because if you're looking at the passengers and trying to fly, they get scared.
They do get scared. Especially nowadays, they're a little itchy. You don't want to face them while you're trying to fly. Oh man, some of these should be simulations just for the heck of it. You need to fly straight, fly right, give us a call. We'll take care of it. Wingman's got your back.